My name is Palestine, the land that holds the stories of prophets and has shaped the glory of civilizations. I am the wound that has bled for 80 years and the promise that will never be broken. I am the olive tree that refuses to die and the thyme that spreads its fragrance despite the siege. I am the call to prayer in Jerusalem and the church bells in Bethlehem. I am the fields watered with the blood of martyrs and the streets that echo with the songs of freedom. I am the people who resisted the occupier with stones and faith, etching their name in the annals of struggle with pain and resilience. My cause is not mine alone. It is the story of freedom embraced by every free soul around the world who stand with me and raise the voice of justice against oppression. I have nothing but my people, and they have nothing but my land. I am the truth that will never die, the memory that will never fade, and the longing that blossoms in the hearts of all who have walked this land. I am Palestine, and I will remain free, eternal, and unconquerable.